بني الإسلام على خمسة أركان في الدين: صوم وصلاة وزكاة حج والشهادتين. شهادة أن لا إله إلا الله وأن محمد رسول الله، إقامة الصلاة، إيتاء الزكاة، وصوم رمضان وحج.
Do you realize the importance of what you're holding? Do you really recognize what Allah has blessed you with? If you are blinded to this, if your mind is sealed from this, if you are oblivious from this, you have a major problem in your faith. Brothers and sisters, don't undermine what you have been blessed with. When you say La ilaha illallah, say it with beauty, with happiness, with izzah, with love, with desire, with wantonness. Because you have been blessed with this thing. Today, fitna, tribulations, afflictions and trials raises its ugly head. In other words, the horns of the devil have appeared in every part of the globe. We see the winds of evil among mankind blow immensely everywhere. Because if we see the atmosphere we are living in, what do we find? Satan everywhere. The atmosphere that we are surrounded by today is no other than an atmosphere of greed, of lust, of competition, of jealousy, of envy, of hatred, of backbiting, of slander, an atmosphere of darkness, devastation, war, turmoil, an atmosphere where the good is looked at as bad and the bad is looked at as good. This is what we are living in. Juvenile delinquency, our youth, and what they are affected by. And what they are affected by. Go outside and see what our youth are affected by. How many of our young brothers and sisters have we lost to the streets? How many of our Muslim youth have we lost to the clubs and pubs? How many of our Muslim youth have we lost to drugs? How many of them have we lost to Western culture? How many of them have we lost to alcohol, to hip-hop, to sexual promiscuity? How many? How many? How many of them have adopted patterns of behavior, ways and traditions, culture and customs, which is absolutely repugnant to a sincere believer? We are experiencing a global phenomenon. And what does this mean? It means that we are currently experiencing a monoculture of consumption, consumerism, but the most dangerous of all is what? Western culture. Western culture, which the entire globe has been eaten